Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Charge the Reid Scooter above 50% and turn it on. Open your phone settings and enable Bluetooth, then launch the Reid app and sign in or register. Once done, make sure you have the scooter VIN or serial and any default PIN available. The app uses these to identify your unit. This initial alignment saves time and prevents mismatched devices, so do these steps before attempting to pair. You next tap Add Device and pick your Reid model. The app scans for nearby scooters. Grant permissions for location and Bluetooth. These are required so the app can detect the scooter and maintain a stable link. Enter the VIN or default PIN when prompted, then watch for the scooter's confirmation tone or LED blink. If pairing stalls, toggle Bluetooth off and on in Settings, then retry. This addresses most transient discovery issues and prevents duplicate device entries in the app. You finish by allowing the app to check and install any firmware. Follow calibration prompts so speed and range display correctly. Once completed, perform functional tests. Lock and unlock from the app, apply gentle throttle to confirm response, and verify speed and battery readouts. If connection fails, restart both scooter and phone, clear Bluetooth cache, and retry pairing. Many issues are fixed by a reset. If problems persist, note error codes and contact Reid support with VIN and apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.